What's up guys, this is Henry Neal, and today we are taking a look at the all-new Tecno Camon CM. It's a brand new mobile device from Tecno. Alright, so straight off the bat, this is Tecno's first device for the year 2018, and it looks really very nice. It's got a slim frame and a tall frame to it. It's got an 18:9 aspect ratio. It's a 5.7 inch HD plus screen. It's got a 13 megapixel camera to the front and with an LED flash, and it also got a 30 megapixel camera to the back. You've also got your fingerprint scanner to the back, and yeah, for the internal, it comes with a 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor. I'm sure this is a MediaTek processor, and it comes with 3000 milliampere battery powering this, and it's running on Android 7.0 Nougat, which is really not bad. I like the frame in this one. I like the fact that Tecno has brought the 18:9 aspect ratio to a budget device. This looks really good, and it really looks, it's sort of like it's built after the Samsung Galaxy S8, and I think this is something a lot of you would like. I also like the thing, Tecno has themed this a little bit to look like TouchWiz, which is a nice thing. I like TouchWiz, I like the way it looks. And this is the settings page you have here, and pretty cool. It's got 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes internal storage for you to use, and it's a pretty decent mid-ranger from Tecno. Very slim, very light, and really nice to use. I'll be bringing you a full review of this device in the coming weeks, and thanks for watching this one. Hit the like button if you like this video, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.